Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best ergonomic keyboard on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Kinesis Advantage 2 Ergonomic Keyboard. This split-key ergonomic keyboard features a unique design with concave key wells at an optimal angle, letting your wrists and shoulders maintain a natural position when working long hours. It also features high-quality mechanical Cherry MX brown switches. Fully programmable key remapping works with all major operating systems light, yet tactile Cherry MX brown switches for great typing feel. If you're looking for the most comfortable ergonomic keyboard for programming, editing, writing, or coding, the Kinesis Advantage 2 is a standout choice. Comfortable use is also found in some of the best keyboard risers, so check those out, too. Its unique split concave key wells and thumb-controlled number and function keys may seem odd at first, but it allows for a less fatiguing and more natural hand position, and with full key remapping, QWERTY and Dvorak support, and on-the-fly macro programming, this is also a great choice if you're looking for the best keyboard for programming Mac and Linux applications. It could very well be a great keyboard for designers. It uses genuine mechanical switches for fast performance and responsive feedback, in this case, Cherry MX Browns, which offers low actuation force but just the right amount of rebound to optimize typing speed. Compare this to the best mechanical keyboard for typing that uses Cherry MX Red switches for optimal typing speeds. Number 2. Razer Ornata Chroma Ergonomic Keyboard. This mecha membrane ergonomic keyboard features RGB backlighting and a vast array of programmable features along with anti-ghosting, tactile feedback, and spill-resistant keys. Durability rated for 80 million clicks cushion detachable wrist rest light, yet tactile Cherry MX brown switches for great typing feel. This ergonomic gaming keyboard is an excellent option for those who want the speed and performance of a mechanical keyboard but prefer the feel and shorter travel of a membrane keyboard. It offers key features for an optimized typing experience such as programmable key press combinations, Chroma RGB lighting that syncs with gameplay when playing certain games, and a fully integrated ergonomic wrist rest that helps ward off fatigue. A top-rated backlit keyboard is also ideal for gaming, so you might want to look at some other options, too. Thanks to its hybrid mecha membrane keys, this Razer Ornata keyboard provides some of the best of both worlds, with a fixed actuation point for reliable performance and robust anti-ghosting so you don't miss any keystrokes. This is similar to any of the best membrane keyboards that offer performance comparable to the best non-mechanical keyboard for gaming and programming. Number 3. Kinesis Freestyle Edge Ergonomic Keyboard. This unique split design keyboard features high-performance Cherry MX brown switches, customizable effect lighting, and fully programmable keys that allow for ultra-fast macro commands and N-key rollover. Fully programmable key remapping unique split design leaves space for streaming mic or camera setup light, yet tactile Cherry MX brown switches for great typing feel. The Kinesis Freestyle Edge RGB lit, split keyboard is designed both to boost ergonomic comfort at work and help with speed and accuracy during esports tournaments. It's also convenient for live streaming since it allows for more freedom in placing a camera and/or mic setup. With up to a 17-inch split, it allows for a closer mouse placement for a more ergonomic keyboard and mouse setup. It supports key rollover and full key remapping, and it has RGB lighting with 10 customizable effects modes. A plug-and-play keyboard for nearly all common operating systems, this is also a great choice if you're looking for the best ergonomic keyboard for gaming and programming applications. It uses Cherry MX brown switches, which offer low actuation force but just the right amount of rebound to optimize typing speed. You may want to compare that to the best typewriter keyboard that uses Cherry MX switches that offer tactile response and feedback. Number 4. Logitech Ergo K860 Ergonomic Keyboard. An ergonomically designed wireless keyboard, this model features a full-size wrist rest and split keys angled to reduce fatigue and help avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, making it a great choice for long-haul typing. Full size with number pad soft ergonomic wrist rest and cushion windows and Mac OS compatible. While it lacks some of the tactile finger feedback found in mechanical keyboards, this split-key ergonomic Bluetooth keyboard offers both enhanced comfort and the convenience of a wireless option. It comes with a full-size wrist rest and specially designed curved keys that purport to reduce fatigue and help maintain a comfortable position. It also works well for users who prefer a dedicated number pad and full-sized spacebar along with the usual Windows function keys. For Mac OS users that also own iPhones, check out the best iOS keyboard on our list as well. The design may take some getting used to, but it reduces muscle strain and may help those with repetitive use injury, being easier on the wrists than a traditional keyboard. A USB wireless receiver is included. Power comes from a set of AAA batteries rather than an integrated Li-ion battery as with some wireless keyboards, but the battery life is listed as being up to 2 years. Feel free to compare this to the class-leading battery life of the best wireless keyboard. Number 5. Microsoft Ergonomic Keyboard. This keyboard features a full-size wrist rest and split keys angled to reduce fatigue and help avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, making it a great choice for long-haul typing and one of the top picks for anyone looking for the best ergonomic keyboard for office work. Split keys for added comfort, tested ergonomic wrist rest and cushion, full-size number pad. While it lacks some of the tactile feedback found in mechanical keyboards, this Microsoft ergonomic keyboard offers nearly unmatched all-day comfort, with its full-size wrist rest and specially designed curved keys that purport to help maintain a neutral position and help ward off carpal tunnel syndrome. It comes with a robust wired connection and a durable reinforced plastic frame, designed for long hours of typing at home or the office. It has a full set of F keys for Windows, along with emoji keys that work with Windows 10 and later. Thus, this is one of the top contenders if you're looking for a basic, yet functional ergonomic keyboard for business PC users. It's also better for number crunching than some other keyboards since it has a full number pad. Compare this to the full-size 105-key layout of the best keyboard for programming.